everyone, welcome back to my channel CozyLoop Crochet. Today's project is how to make a heart-shaped bookmark. This is very easy project for the beginners, and for the material I have used the Red Heart Super Saver. For the green color is the medium thyme, and also I have leftover of the same yarn, which is saffron color. And for the hook size, I have used the 5mm hook size, and also you need a pair of scissors to cut your yarn. So let's get started. Okay, first step is to make a magic ring. For magic ring, you get the end of the yarn, pull the yarn over 2 fingers and make a cross like this. Hold on to the yarn with the other finger. Bring your hook underneath the yarn and pull the yarn over. Make a twist and then get the yarn from here and pull it through. This is it. This is the magic ring. Now we're going to make 2 chains here, 1 and 2. Next, we're going to make 3 treble stitch. Treble stitch is 1 and 2 times yarn over. Go inside the ring, pull up the yarn, and then pull the yarn over 2 loops. Again, pull the yarn over another 2 loops, and one more time pull the yarn over the last 2 loops. That's a treble stitch. So we're going to make 2 more of that. Yarn over twice, go inside the ring, pull the yarn over, hold it with your other finger in here, pull up the yarn, go through 2 loops, pull the yarn over, go through another 2 loops, and pull up the yarn and go over the last 2 loops. This is 2 trebles, and you're going to make another one. We did 3 loops, 3 treble stitch, and we're going to pull it together. After that, we're going to make 3 double crochets. Yarn over once, go through the ring, pull up the yarn, go through 2 loops, and pull up the yarn, go through 2 loops. Okay, this is 1 double crochet. We're going to do another one in the center, 2 double crochets, 1 more. Okay, 3 double. Okay, and then we're gonna do chain 1 in here, and we're gonna do 1 treble stitch. Again, twice. Pull up the yarn, go through 2 loops, pull up the yarn through 2 loops. For the last time, pull up the yarn through 2 loops. This is 1 treble. After that, chain 1, and then do 3 double crochets. This is 1, and we're going to do 2 more. Two and 3. And then 3 treble stitch. 1 and 2. This is one, and I do 2 more. Okay, so I did 3 treble stitch, and then after that I'm gonna do chain 2, 1 and 2, and then after that we're gonna do a slip stitch inside the ring. So just pull up the yarn and pull it through the loop. This is treble, and then just tie, pull up the end yarn in here and make it tight. Okay, and now we're gonna do 1 chain and cut the yarn. Okay, and this is the heart. Okay, cut the yarn from here and pull it through this last chain that we made. Pull it tight and pull the both ends, and we're gonna just you can hide it with the yarn needle, or you can just tie it in the back and cut the extra yarn. Okay. This is our heart. Now we're gonna start doing the stems. For the stem, I'm gonna make a slip knot in here. Okay, and go from the center of the heart, bring the yarn over, pull the yarn over from here to the front, and just make a chain. Okay, and now I'm gonna make 42 chains in here for the stem, and you can do less than that, or long if you want it longer you can do more chains, but let's do 42 now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I have done 42 chains in here. Okay, now I'm gonna count to chain 5 from the end, and then I'm gonna make a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna just go inside the chain, pull the yarn over and pull through the loop. Okay, so this is the slip stitch. Now I'm gonna do 6 more slip stitch on the next 6 chains. So this is 1, 2. Okay, I have done 6 slip stitch here. Now for the picot, I'm gonna do 3 chains in here. 1, 2, 3, and then I'm gonna close it up by slip stitch into that 3rd chain, like here. Pull it through. So this is 3 chains, and close it up with a slip stitch, and then continue doing 6 more slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, Okay, I've done 6 more slip stitch. Here again I'm gonna do another picot here with 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and I'm gonna close it again on that 3rd chain, 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna go inside that 3rd chain and do slip stitch. Okay, and again I'm gonna do 6 more slip stitch, another picot, and 6 more. So I've done 4 of these picot in the stem. I'll be back when I'm done with all of that. Okay, I have done 4 in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now I'm gonna do slip stitch to the end. I'll be back at the end. I'm getting to the end of this, so 1 and 2 slip stitch, and I'm gonna do 2 more slip stitch at the very end. So this is 1, bringing the yarn, and 1 more. Okay, okay, and now I'm gonna just cut the yarn and tie it up at the end. Or tie it up in here, and now pull it to the end, to the back of the heart. Pull it to the back and tie it up with the other end. Okay, I'm gonna make 2 knots in the back and cut the yarn. This is 1 and 2. Cut the extra yarn. And this is it. This is your bookmark. It's a great gift for Valentine's Day or any other time of the year. It's beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment for me if you like it, or you can subscribe also. And I'm gonna put more videos in the future. Thank you.